afternoon. My name is Michael Curliss, and I'm a licensed psychologist, and I work in private practice outside of Ellsworth. My home is Southeast Harbor. In 2007, I began to use a Motorola Razr cell phone about 1 hour per day. Within a few weeks, I developed burning in my ear, concentration problems, and loss of short-term memory. Later, I became dizzy, lost ambition, and developed joint pain with increased need for urination. Not fun. After about 1 year, my pulse dropped 20 beats per minute, and I was nearly disabled as I could not exercise, work longer than half a day, or drive longer than 30 minutes at a time. It was at this point that I read an article in the local paper describing these symptoms exactly, and they were called electrohypersensitivity, which describes someone who develops adverse health effects from EMFs, or electromagnetic fields. I learned from the author of this letter and a local physician who is also in attendance that the only way to cure these symptoms was to avoid further exposure to EMFs. Immediately, within a few days of avoiding not using my cell phone or being exposed to Wi-Fi, my cognitive functioning came streaming back. It was a very dramatic experience of rediscovery of my brain. And I am currently, I am 100% convinced that I have a sensitivity to these EMFs as a direct result of my cell phone use. I've also experimented numerous times exposing myself to cell phones as well as Wi-Fi, and then avoiding it, observing the effects. In my private practice, I've seen several patients that also present with significant negative health problems from cell phone use. For example, I'll just give you a couple examples. A teenager, straight-A student, got a cell phone immediately afterwards, or a few weeks afterwards, could no longer study, grades dropped, barely graduated high school. He was, and I believe, misdiagnosed with depression, ADHD, because of these symptoms. Another child develops facial burning, loss of ambition when they're downloading information from their laptop. I had a friend got a tumor where he kept it in their pocket. It's very difficult now as a psychologist to know what I'm working with. Does the child have depression? Do they have ADHD? Or are they simply suffering from the effects of exposure to Wi-Fi and cell phone functioning? I have several recommendations, but my time is up. Any questions?
Are there any questions? I want to thank you. We will read this.
Okay.